Well, we're all packed up and ready for day 4. Well, let's just say I'm not completely ready for day 4. It is wet. Anyone that rides a bike knows that riding in the rain is not fun. So, it could be interesting. So, I'll take you along with us as per usual and on our adventure and see how we go. ended up in the middle of bloody nowhere. We're not too far from Ellenborough Falls, but probably about 4 k's further up the road. We've gone up a closed road that probably shouldn't have been closed. I mean, we got through no roads. I think you'd get a car through there easily too. But I'd say they were still working on little landslips and stuff, but we got through. And now we've went through a little town called Elands, and now we're down, well, we thought we were going to be able to camp at this sports ground. I'll use that term loosely. But according to Google we can, but according to the gate there's like 2 or 3 padlocks on it, so that's not going to happen. So now we're just under the veranda of this hall, just trying to get out of the rain. But he's saturated, cold. It's just all part of the adventure. I think Elands is about 50 k's north of Taree, so I don't know, but this rain has not let up all day. It's just incessant. I just want to get dry. Well, that was one epic day. As you can see, we're inside, out of the rain, having a shower, hot shower. It's going to be amazing. We just ended up going up to Elands there, to where Ellenborough Falls is. But we were going to camp there, but couldn't camp there at the little sports ground or something it is, because it's locked. So then we came back down to Wingham on a different road, not the closed one. Probably 18 to 20 of it was dirt. So just slush and good fun, but what an adventure. Freezing cold though, and wet. But decided to come to Taree and just paid for a motel room, and at least this way we can dry out, have a nice hot shower before we head home tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's our last day. So a bit disappointing we didn't get to see Ellenborough Falls, but as always next time. So we'll see how we go tonight. Gonna have a nice hot shower, get a feed, and life will be looking up then, I think. Just a couple of bikes in here.